Tired of complicated money transfers and sky-high fees when sending money to loved ones in Nigeria? Let's get you started. First, you will need to create an account with WorldRemit if you don't have one, or log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, begin a new transfer by selecting Nigeria as your recipient's country. You should indicate on the Send to field. Next, choose your preferred delivery method: bank transfer for direct deposit, cash pickup at various agent locations, or even mobile money if your recipient uses it. Each option has its own convenience. Now, enter the amount you want to send in your currency. WorldRemit will show you the exchange rate and any fees associated with the transfer upfront. Fill in your recipient's details accurately, including their full name as it appears on their ID, their address, and a valid phone number. Ensure that all details are correct to avoid delays. Choose your payment method: debit card, credit card, or a direct bank transfer. For bank transfers, follow the on-screen instructions to securely link your account. Review all the details carefully on the confirmation page: the amount you're sending, the fees, the exchange rate, and your recipient's information. If everything looks correct, confirm your transfer. After confirmation, you'll receive a transaction reference number. Track your transfer in the app to see when your loved one receives the funds. If you need any assistance, WorldRemit has 24/7 support available through their website or app. Send with confidence and support your family in Nigeria easily with WorldRemit.